Boys Sportster car pulled out in front of him the other day in Benson there, right there by the Burger King. Uh, I think he's more hurt than the bike is. He's not hurt bad, just got some rash a little bit, and didn't do too bad. Tweaked the bars a little bit, or at least the triple trees. They're a little crooked. A little bit of rash on the lens there. Broke the shift rod uh, over here. I mean, just snapped it off right there. Ain't no big deal. Fix that up, and I forget what else he said. Something else on here. Got one of these lenses back here, I think, or a turn signal or something. And the headlight was crooked. But other than that, looked pretty good. As far as damage goes, not a whole lot more damage to him than I think the bike. Care more about him than I do the damn bike anyway. But it is what it is. We'll fix that when we get around to it. He's not ready to ride yet anyway. He's still in pain some from the missing skin there. Gouged him pretty good. But like you said, it was either nail the car or lay it down. He made the right choice. I'd rather lay it down than smack a car any day. I guess it got this grip over here a little bit. Ain't no big deal. I don't like these grips anyway. He doesn't like them and I don't like them. I've got another set to put on there, regular rubber grips. Cheapo rubber ones, we'll slap those on there and be good to go. He was worried about whether he got the tank or not. I'm like, man, if it got it, it got it. If it didn't, it didn't. It didn't get it, but, you know, overall, not bad. A little straightening out there. We'll replace the shift rod. I probably won't even replace it. I might throw a sleeve on there and tack weld it in place over top of it. If I got enough room on there to do it, I should. Just use a piece of tube and slide it over top and then hot weld it on both sides. Should be good to go. All right. That's it.